Hi everyone, my name is Kylie Russell and I'm from Alaska. I live in a small town just outside of Anchorage called Eagle River. So a little bit about me, I am 20 years old and this is my third semester here at BYUI. I transferred from the University of Alaska Anchorage just last winter and I'm currently a junior studying psychology. I'm the oldest of 6 kids and this picture is of me and my family taken about 2 years ago, I believe. My dad is from Carson, Alberta. My mom was an Air Force kid who lived all around the world. They actually met here at BYUI when it was Ricks College. They both work for the military. My dad is a major in the Alaska Army National Guard. My mom works for the 176th Wing in the Alaska Air National Guard as a civil environmental engineer as a civilian. There are 3 boys and 3 girls in my family, the youngest being my little sister, Alyeska, who is 4. So there's about a 16-year difference between the two of us. This is a picture of me in Palmer, which is about 40 minutes north of where I live at one of the farms they have out there. I've lived in Alaska my entire life, mainly staying in the Anchorage Bowl area, and because I'm from Alaska, some of the things I enjoy doing are hiking, fishing, going four-wheeling, snow machining, and going to the gun range and archery range with my dad. But I also really enjoy reading and baking. My personal favorite things to create are cookies, but I really enjoy making kind of any baked goods. This is a picture of me and my friend Audrey and my youngest sister Alyeska. We were at the reindeer farm for my Alyeska's preschool about 2 weeks before I left for Rexburg. I guess something interesting about me is that with my psychology degree, I want to join the FBI and become a criminal profiler, which is, if you've ever seen or heard of the TV show Criminal Minds, it's pretty much what they do. The human mind has always been interesting to me, and I've always wanted to go into something with crime when I was younger. So going into psychology and focusing on criminal justice psychology seemed to fit what I wanted to do, and now I really enjoy it. Personally, I would love to focus my studies on serial killers. To some, it may seem crazy, weird, and outlandish, but I've always wanted to understand how their mind works and how to help solve their crimes. And this is why I'm really interested in taking this course, because I can get a good foundation of understanding of how the mind works and how age and developmental stages we go through can help depict how we are going to be in the future.